Hey, what's up guys? I have a OnePlus 8T. I'm going to show you how to do a wireless screen mirror directly to your Sanyo Roku TV. Now the first thing to note is that you need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Your TV and your OnePlus 8T need to be on the same home Wi-Fi network because that's what the connection is going through. Okay, so you can see, I mean, my Wi-Fi here is kind of slow and you can see, let me focus in on here. You can see that there's like a slight delay, okay? Anyway, let me show you how to connect. So go ahead and grab your AT here and then slide down the notification like that and see the horizontal line right there. Slide down again, and now what you want to look for is screencast, okay? So go ahead and tap on screencast right there. Now, if it doesn't, it's not finding, see, it's not finding my RCA Roku TV. That's because I need to tap on settings here, and I need to enable the wireless display first. So I'll go ahead and click that on and give it 1 second. And then there you go, my Sanyo Roku TV. See right there, let's go ahead and tap on that. It says connecting here. I should get a message down here on the bottom of the TV in 1 second. Okay, so this down here just popped up. You can go ahead and always allow. So you don't get the screen here, you can allow it, and then this screen will always show up every time you try to screen mirror your AT. So I'll click on allow, give this 1 second, and down there it says starting video from OnePlus AT. Okay, there we go. I had to, for some reason I got disconnected and I had to reconnect again, but anyway, let me focus in on here. So you can see that we're screen mirroring right here, and oh no, what happened? Looks like something froze. Oh, there we go, my Wi-Fi. You can see how super delayed that is right now. Look. Anyway, so from here, anything I do on the phone is going to be relayed onto the TV, so you can show your photos and videos, work documents, like locally and whatnot. Okay, you can see my Wi-Fi is really bad right now, especially during like this time. You can see the massive lagging or delay here. Okay, let me show you really quickly a video and photo here. So let me go into my photos here. And here's a photo right here. Okay, well, this is like super delayed, especially during this time at night. Now, I just turned in landscape. Okay, it's taking a little while, and you can see you can zoom in and out. In the daytime, my Wi-Fi works a lot better, but at night, it's just like super slow. There we go. You can see how delayed that is. And then really fast, I'll show you a quick video here.
Testing 1 2 3 4 5. Testing.
Oops, let me turn that over.
1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 4 5.
Okay.
Testing 1 2 3.
Super delayed. And if you want to basically go ahead and log off, just go ahead and scroll down again, and then scroll down again, and then go back to where it said screencasting. And right below where it says screencasting, it should say that your the Sanyo Roku TV. Just tap on that, and then we're going to go ahead and tap on disconnect, and then it'll disconnect. And there we go.